Hi everyone, my name is Gianna Cofone and I'm a sophomore here at Trinity Hall. I think that the Humanities program helps bring everything at Trinity Hall full circle because it helps us work on our presentation skills and it helps us just bring everything together and really work on the interdisciplinary program. So for example, in my English class right now, we're talking about what it means to be empathetic. And we talked about in engineering, the reason that we have engineering is to make other people's lives better. And we build things to make people's lives easier. So we need to understand what they're going through. So the humanities programs really just help us understand people and bring everything full circle.
Hi, welcome to Trinity Hall. I'm Haley Nelson. As a junior, I genuinely feel that the Humanities program allows me to fully immerse myself into the subject matter and curriculum. The Humanities program is a culmination of history, English, and theology, but it really is so much more than that. Our classes foster a discussion-based collaborative environment where students have the opportunity to ask questions and learn about the world around them. I think our humanities program is so special because it really allows us to develop a diverse and global perspective as we learn about new cultures, traditions, and pivotal events in history, making us much more knowledgeable and really empathetic young women. And that's the goal here at Trinity. One aspect that I appreciate most about our humanities classes is the fact that our classes are not like those of other high schools in the way that we don't have standard assessments and we don't have assignments that are tedious and not worthwhile. Instead, in the classroom, we're encouraged to take risks, ask questions, be creative, and really think outside of the box. For example, after reading Macbeth our freshman year, students were given the opportunity to attend the Metropolitan Opera Theater in New York, and this is just one of the many examples of all of the opportunities that Trinity Hall has to offer. Overall, as a junior, I believe that the goal of Trinity Academics is to empower students to develop a more diverse set of skills which allow us to approach real-world situations with integrity, empathy, and confidence.
Hi there, my name is Lucy Retterer and I am a senior. So I get to talk to you about the humanities. The humanities is the study of what it means to be human. When I came into Trinity Hall, I had no idea what humanities meant. I thought it was just English class, but at Trinity, the humanities are very interdisciplinary and we really blur the lines between the materials of our theology, our English, and our history classes. We really intermix those concepts. So one of my favorite projects that I've done in my humanities classes is sophomore year, when in theology we were studying comparative religions. And in English class, we were learning how to write short stories. And I got to write this story about a girl who went on a self-discovery path, and I related it to Buddhism. I got to really include my creativity. I made it super fun. I had magic, unicorns, fairies, the whole shebang, and the finished product was really awesome. And that's what's really cool about Trinity Hall. You get two topics that really don't seem to have anything in common, but after further study, you realize how they truly blend together. And that's why Trinity Hall is so unique. It isn't about studying a subject, it's about experiencing the humanities.